Broan-NuTone has performance-matched ventilation solutions for every kitchen style, like the Broan BBN1 Powerpack insert. Get a flush look with an integrated one-piece design. The Easy One installation system enables fast, one-person installation. In-depth adjustability ensures the ventilation surface fully covers the cabinetry bottom. Long-lasting, heat-resistant LED lights brighten your cooking experience. Ventilation is made simple with a 2-speed rocker switch. The stainless steel surface is not only beautiful, it's easy to clean. And the quick-release filters are dishwasher-safe. Flush appearance, hidden solution. The Broan BBN1 Powerpack insert